Baie Dominique. Is it Dominique or
Dominica?
Dominica.
That's at least how Chris Parker pronounces it.
Off to Martinique. 20, how many miles?
Like 40.
Oh. 40 miles. Here we go. Hi, we are Kyle and Missy, and this is a little glimpse of our life on and off our beautiful boat, Makushla. After spending 2 seasons on the Great Lakes, refitting and getting to know our new home, we sailed her down to the Caribbean. An amazing, brutal, beautiful, grueling journey that has brought us to where we are today. If you see us out and about, come say hi. We love meeting new peeps and sharing stories. And as always, thanks for watching, subscribing, and supporting.
Not as big as that swordfish you caught.
Is it?
I think so. It's pretty big. It's a bit longer, but this thing's got to be 30 pounds.
I thought you were going to say this is at least an inch bigger. Alright, I'm not going to lie. It's pretty gross. But that is the reality. Catching your own dinner. Truth be told. So it's been kind of a running joke with our cruising buddies that nobody can catch anything because it's been a little bit of a dry spell. We've actually had no luck since our crossing from the States to St. Martin, so but now we're doing a trick that somebody taught us and I don't remember who, so sorry. But if you're not in sharky waters, you just tie the tail of the boat, let it drag, bleeds it out while you clean up the mess. And then you fillet the fish. So yeah, thanks buddy, thanks for dinner, lots of dinners. Thanks for dinner for our friends. I imagine we're gonna have plenty to share. Fish dance, come fish. We got fresh mahi. Guess you have to cook that. Kyle was smart and got barbecue chicken from Carnival.
Mm-hmm. It's still pretty good.
Because there's no way Missy was making lunch today. Nope, 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 nope. Kyle just spotted this boat out in the corner and figured there were surfers here. And there are. I have a feeling we might be staying.
Yes, Missy?
Please, sir, explain what's happening.
Just a quick surf, you know? I'm a fans.
Just down here making myself lunch. And all of a sudden I felt us do a 180. Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Hope you find your dad. Woo! Oh, these islands never cease to amaze me. So wild. Alright, mahi fish round one. I am going to make a garlic lemon butter sauce and some pesto gnocchi. Kyle's maybe gonna bake the fish. Is it working?
Yeah, it's working good.
Yay! Alright.
It should be. So we'll do that.
How long? What's your time frame?
I could start cooking whenever.
Okay.
Like in 5 minutes if you wanted.
The true final picture. Dun dun da. More sheets are flying.
Rising sun hits the sky, see it open before us. Take these hopes, hold them high. Every step takes you closer. Oh, 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 oh. The stars will show us.
Giving it all she's got.
They're definitely beating us. I have no idea who they are, but let's not kid ourselves. We're racing.
It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
We've got so much mahi we get to share. It's really fun. So the boat that we raced in here, they're right in front of us now, so we're giving them some. They barely speak English and we don't speak any French. So hopefully they understand fresh fish. And then Sailing Sunder, who we met on Instagram. They're parked next to us, so we're gonna go do sundowners with some mahi. Mahi sundowners. Okay, I think the sun and the waves are getting to me. Getting a little wackadoodle.
Open fields, distant shores, every anticipation. Getting lost, we'll explore with no hesitation. The stars will show us. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. At the start of something. Later than we could uncover. Holding on to all this wonder. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking. Rising sun hits the sky.
Take these hopes and hold them high.
Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story in the making. At the start of something. Later than we could uncover. Holding on to all this wonder. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking. A story in the making. The world is ours for the taking.
A quick stop in Sainte Anne to resupply, then we're heading back out, this time to the windward side of Martinique to check out the mangroves and try to get some kiteboarding in. It's resupply day. So we heard this is the last really great place to get supplies before we head south. And so far, I am not disappointed. Great little market. Now we're gonna get the bus. Go to the supermarket. Fancy. watch these guys go through the gap. It looks scary.
It looks scary.
It looks scary watching them.
Yeah.
And it was scary going through it. Hi! Okay, if you've made it this far, you either really love us or you birthed us. So we are about to head out into the Pacific. Crazy. How did we get from Martinique to the Pacific? I will catch you up in like other videos. But in the meantime, just a heads up, there's gonna be a really long gap in videos and more of this. Oop, pretty face. Sorry. But if you have questions about the Pacific, we're still here for a few more weeks. So ask them below and hopefully I'll get them before we shove off and then I'll be able to answer them while we're out at Passage.
Very good.
Agreed?
Yeah. No, anything you want.
He talks a lot. Okay, bye.